Welcome back to my channel, Thrifty Fly DIY with your girl Denise Joy. In today's video, I am sharing with you my best thrift finds and showing you how to add those awesome thrift finds to your own home decor. All right, let's check out this dopeness, y'all. Adding high-quality custom thrift finds is the perfect way to make your home custom on a budget. This lovely frame was the perfect solution for some artwork I painted. Next up, I show you all a wide variety of frames along with some vintage tin tiles and other decorative art. Thrifted items are a fantastic choice when you want to get high quality but stay custom on a budget. These wooden trays really pop against this walnut coffee table. Beautiful centerpiece. You cannot beat this Italian blown glass vase that I used to put some eucalyptus and other decorative greenery inside of. This sweet piece of pottery I just had to get because it's vintage. It was made in 1964, it's hand painted, and I use it to store sunglasses. Ooh la la, these curtains, y'all. When I saw these curtains, these crate and barrel sheer curtains, are they stunning? Oh, plus the pillows. Yes, those are cowhide covered pillows. Phenomenal. Yes, from the thrift store. Here we have more canvas artwork. Trust me. You may have to go a couple times, hit a few stores, but thrifting is the perfect place to get this phenomenal canvas artwork. This vintage mirror was the perfect item to put in this bathroom. I just affixed some hooks on there to hang towels and voila, metal artwork. Phenom. I love this artwork. I've used it in a couple of homes that I've staged. I've used it in my own home. It really just adds some drama and wonderful contrast to any wall. I love my vintage mirrors, and this one is Parisian. I have gotten so many gorgeous wooden dressers from the thrift store, and I usually do a phenomenal paint job to get that smooth custom look. My current office. The table that I use is a bar height butcher block. It's sturdy and it's kind of fly. This is one of my most favorite finds, a Mercury glass lamp. The base, it is stunning. That beautiful round shade, that white shade on top of it, and it just pops, as well as that cute little orange whatnot box. Don't you just love this vintage plant stand? Now next I'm going to show you all the bookcase. Just a sweet little vintage bookcase I picked up at the thrift store to add some additional storage in my tricked out storage closet to support my office space. Working from home, you gotta be creative. Now this is a recent find. This mid-century wooden chair, when I found it, it was dirty, it was scuffed up and marked. All I needed to do was rub it down with some of that good old teak oil, and I brought it back to life. Isn't it gorgeous? Another great wooden chair find. This is a strong, sturdy, well-loved oak wooden chair. Now here's something on the funkier side. This is one of those pleather, plush feeling chairs with the nail heads and that gorgeous oak trim. If you have to cover some furniture, say a bench or some chairs, best trick in the book, go to the thrift store, find the highest quality set of drapes or upholstery that you can find, repurpose it to cover anything, just like I did here with this bench. Can't forget the pillows, the accessory? You got it. Thrifted. On one of my thrift hauls to my favorite thrift stores in Baltimore, I picked up these 2 vintage clocks. Love vintage digital clocks, and one of them is sitting on a 1900s wooden side table. I'm always shopping for quality. This butler's table turned out to be worth over $1,200. I paid $20 for it at the thrift store. Thanks so much for stopping by and checking out my channel. Please like this video, leave me a comment, let me know what you love, what was inspiring to you, or what kind of video you want me to do next. And if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Love having you in the community.